Are we ready?
How
you feeling?
Jacob's hanging out.
You scared? Squeaky bum time. I've got to say, these are the perfect shoes. The perfect shoes for the rainforest adventure. Look at that, you got the Air Max 95. Fresh, cocaine white.
Don't need a picture, do you?
Colombian white.
Don't need a picture, do you?
Picture where? Bash. Whoa! He's mastered it. He's bossing it, look. Oh no!
He's back.
Oh, he made it. Mate, he stole it. Oh,
The
actually.
instructions.
Can the ropes take you? That's the question.
You get stuck in the middle. One finger like that. Weight down.
Okay.
One more.
Whoop!
One more.
Okay, go.
Lean back.
Be back. Be out.
through! Go!
Yes, mate.
Okay, sit down, feet up, legs up. Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa! What, my friend? Go. Break it the game.
Gracias.
Did you manage to do it with that thing?
Yeah. You don't need to break.
Not on that one.
Yeah,
No.
just hover over it.
Whoa! One moment.
You should have some really cool footage on there, mate.
Yeah.
You can wet everything, isn't it? You say you want to walk now. Imagine how wet and sweaty and
Almost a perfect landing. That one, you say don't break on it.
I didn't break. Cool.
Didn't you? It didn't go fast enough.
Not heavy enough.
Just slow. Yeah, yes,
you
you
need
got
to
a
put
slow
some
one.
weight on them.
Probably just don't weigh it.
Whoa! Whoa!
As it gets longer and longer, it'll probably get quicker and
Whoa!
quicker enough, won't it? Because we're all spaced out.
Okay.
Off you go. Enjoy.
Go, papi, go! One moment, sir.
Oh, so long one, so.
Spine goes to go.
Whoa!
Watch out, your clips on. Just as he leaps.
Okay, sit and go, break it in.
That's quite a long one there. Look, oh, we got it going there. That looks cool.
Are you recording that?
Yeah.
Coat, man. Coat, hold the line. Very much. Go! Go! Whoa! Good position, break
Okay.
it in, okay?
Break it in. Yep.
Sir. How was it?
Good. I'm getting better. I'm getting the hang of it now.
Oh! You got running through? You ready, amigo?
Thank you.
That brake on this one.
Huh?
Because I don't know if you have to brake on this one.
Yeah, hopefully not.
The home plate brake.
They said brake.
I think so.
Do you need to brake on this
You
one?
need brake at the end, yes.
You will. Alright.
Remember where brake you?
Yeah, I'll just drop the camera and go like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Let go, sir. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
And
Okay, you stand up.
you didn't have to brake at all. I was coming charging and he goes,
Yeah.
That's because you've been having more food than me. You've been putting pounds on them.
Just reached a really nice viewpoint up looking over the cloud forest.
It looks amazing. Cloud forest. Always wanted to be here.
Amazing.
And there we are.
Very peaceful as well. If it wasn't for everyone else talking, you'd really be able to hear just the most beautiful sound.
Ooh, good view from this one.
Yeah.
Go!
We've just come back off that zip line. It was an awesome experience, man. About 11 different lines, all through the canopy, really high up. You can see some of the views. Yeah, great experience. Really enjoyed it. We are now hopping back in the bus and we're going to go to have a presentation about some of the animals and ecosystem here. We're having lunch and a few other bits and pieces to come with.
Coming up next to the right, we have a view of the mountain or cordilleras. Remember, the ice peak is Chiricahua Mountain, 3,820 meters above sea level.
It's a termites nest. Termites.
Oh, I see.
Termites.
Termite's nest.
It's usually to see many of them here.
Yeah.
The trees, so they eat the trees out and then collapse.
Hi.
Hola, Merry Christmas.
We don't have to say Happy Merry Christmas. It's only Merry Christmas, right?
No, yeah, we don't say Happy Merry Christmas.
It's usually
Just
say
Merry
Happy.
Christmas.
No, no, no.
No, Merry.
From the bottom of my heart.
Feliz Navidad.
I am your
Feliz
Santa
Navidad.
Claus today.
Yeah.
But you are bad guys.
No, you're
I
Mrs.
don't
Claus.
have gifts for you.
Oh no, we've been good, we promise. We've been very good. Lewis is a bit naughty though, aren't you?
On the top of the tree, you see, there is another termite's nest. The top.
Mary, you're giving us the greatest gift on this day. You are giving us the greatest gift, the gift of seeing this. So thank you.
Can you see the seeds of the palm? The seeds?
Oh, yeah.
There are foods for monkeys and chipmunks. These plants are called walking plants, and the reason of the name is because the roots are outside. they have to move a little per year looking for the sun.
Where are the monkeys though?
Maybe they are sleeping because today
'Cause
is
Christmas.
Day.
Yeah.
They are waiting for
They had too much to drink last night.
What do you have to do? Waterfall or flat trail? What? Yesterday was a snake in the waterfall trail.
Was that a big one?
Yeah.
So what happened?
And
We have to be careful.
Everyone died.
Furtherlands.
Yeah.
This one.
No.
Is this this one?
Oh wow. And they're liable to attack. They can attack.
On the ground?
If you go near them, would they attack? Yeah.
Yeah. They attack if you are bothering.
Yeah. If you poke them or something.
Okay, guys. Next to the building, we are going to see papaya tree, banana tree, and sweet canes.
Yeah, that's nice. You're almost at the top of the trees there, look, on the canopy.
Please sit down because we are coming only for the balance of the bungalow.